Over lockdown, a lot of us are sitting a lot more, and it's resulting in a lot of people experiencing knee pain and lower back pain. A lot of the time, the pain in these areas is actually originating from the hips, which are tightening up due to the extra sitting, and our glutes are becoming inactive. So some stretches and some routines I like to do 3 or 4 times a week to alleviate this. First, I'm going to roll. I roll my hamstrings, left and right. I roll my quads. So all the way down. I roll my calves, one leg at a time. Put the other leg on top and just get right in there. And I roll my lower back left and right. So I'm rolling from my bottom rib to my pelvis. Again, outside the spine. So half of the roller is outside, and I use my hand here just to roll up and down. Okay, so I roll first, and then the stretches I like to do. Number 1 is couch stretch. Now you can put a cushion under your knee here. So you're going to bring one knee as close to the wall as you can manage. Okay, you're going to come up on the other leg. Now here I'm bringing my torso upright, my ribs are pulled down, and I'm squeezing my glute on this side, the side that the leg is up the wall. I'm going to hang out here for 2 minutes. Okay, you'll really feel a good stretch all in here to the front of the hips and indeed down the quads. If it gets too much, lean forward, come out and back up. So accumulate 2 minutes each side there. Next stretch is pigeon pose. So I'm going to bring one leg forward, bring this as horizontal, this shin as horizontal as possible, and lean down into it. Now as I relax into the stretch, I'm going to push the glute on this side, on the leg that's bent, back behind me. That'll deepen the stretch again. 2 minutes each side there for the pigeon pose as well. The next one is frog pose. So I'm going to come onto the sides almost of my knees. 2 cushions here now, guys, as well. One under each knee. My knees are outside my hips, and my feet are flat on their sides here, and my foot is straight. It's not flexed. Okay, so from here, I'm going to gently now push backwards. Really good stretch into the hips, and release it if you need to, and back, and then come down onto the elbows if you can, and just push back and release. Accumulate 2 minutes there. That's a really deep stretch. Next is straddle. So I'm going to bring my feet out into straddle, and I'm going to lean forward. I'm going to lead with the chest and keep the lower back flat if I can. And as I relax into it, I'll get deeper and deeper, and I accumulate 2 minutes there. When I've all that done, to activate the glutes then, what I like to do is some glute bridges, pushing through the heels, full extension, squeezing the glutes, and back down. I do 3 sets of 10 of those. Onto my side, some clams. Again, squeeze the glute and hold at the top. 3 sets of 10 of those, and that's me.